Hi, thank you for checking out PostScale.io. I made this tool because whenever I create a video, it already takes me so much time to create a video and upload to YouTube, and so much work has gone into that. And most of the time, when I want to post on other social media, I usually don't have enough time to give enough thoughts into my post. So what PostScale do is that it converts your YouTube video into multiple social media posts. I'm just gonna show you how it works. You go into the dashboard and you paste in your YouTube video URL. You click on convert. And first, you will generate a transcript because the transcript is very long, so that it's start out minimized. And then it generates a summary from the transcript. And because AI is doing all the work in the background, it takes a little bit of time. And here you can see it gives you a summary, gives you analogy, notes, keywords, bullet points. So these formats give you flexibility to convert the summary into other kind of formats where you can post at other places. For example, it generates another copy for LinkedIn posts, another copy for Twitter, and another copy for Threads. So now you can just click on copy and then paste it into whichever platform that you want to use the copy in. And in the future, I'm thinking about integrating into different platforms where people use scheduling. For example, like buffer.com or Hootsuite. So if you guys have any questions or recommendations, just let me know. My email is at david@postscale.io. And have a nice day. Thank you for watching.